In this lesson, we'll cover how you can ask for more help when you're just starting out to learn Te Reo Māori, the Māori language. Here are some common questions or sentences you can learn and use when you get stuck along your learning journey. The first sentence is, I'm just starting with learning to speak Te Reo Māori. Kātahi anō ka tīmata taku ako I Te Reo Māori. I don't understand. Kaore au I te mārama. Can you repeat that? Tēnā koa kōrero mai anō. Could you speak more slowly? Tēnā koa kia āta kōrero mai. Can you translate whakatau into English? Tēnā koa whakapākehā tia te kupu whakatau. You can replace whakatau with any other word so you can understand. What's the Māori word for dream? He aha te kupu Māori mō dream? The answer is actually moe moe a. Moe moe a, dream. If you get stuck, don't be afraid to reach out for help. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.